Welcome back to Driving TV. This is Cabby, and we're continuing with part 3 of our How to Drive from Scratch series. Today's focus is on making left and right turns in traffic. Turning may seem simple, but doing it correctly requires timing, positioning, and confidence. But by the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation to make smooth and safe turns in real traffic. So let's get started. Let's begin with signaling, which is a crucial part of turning safely. Before making only these right and left turns, you need to signal to let other drivers and pedestrians know your intentions. The general rule is to signal at least 100 feet before you turn, about the length of 2 city buses. This gives people around you enough time to anticipate your movement. Let's talk about the right turns. To set up for a right turn, position your car closely to the right side of the lane. This ensures that you don't accidentally drift into another lane while turning. Look around, look ahead, and check for any signs, pedestrians, or cyclists on your right. Remember, pedestrians have the right of way, so always yield if someone is crossing. Making the right turn. Once you're ready to turn, begin by slowing down. Ease off the gas pedal and gently press the brake to reduce your speed. Ideally, you should be going around 5 to 10 miles per hour as you make the turn. Now turn the steering wheel smoothly to the right. Don't yank the wheel. Keep your movements controlled and steady. As you turn, keep your eyes in the direction you're going, which helps guide the car naturally through the turn. After completing the turn, slowly straighten the wheel. This brings the car back to a straight path. Accelerate gently to match the flow of traffic. Be sure to check your mirrors as you accelerate. You're aware of any cars behind you is a must. You need to be aware. Also aware of adjacent lanes, just to be safe. Now, let's look at left turns, which require a bit more caution. For a left turn, position your car towards the center of your lane. If you're on a road with multiple lanes, move into the leftmost lane. Signal early so drivers behind you know your plan. As you approach the turn, keep an eye out for any oncoming traffic, since left turns often require you to cross lanes. So one of the biggest challenges with left turns is judging the speed of oncoming traffic. And as a beginner driver, it's okay to take your time. It's okay to take it slow and wait until there's plenty of space. If a car is approaching and you're not sure if you have enough time, it's safer to wait. Over time, you will develop a better sense of these judgments, but for now, it's best to keep it safe. When you're ready to turn, slow down to around 5 to 10 miles per hour, just as you did with right turns. Begin turning the wheel smoothly to the left, keeping your movements controlled. As you turn, look in the direction you're heading to guide your car through the turn naturally. Remember to stay within your lane. Don't cut across lanes, as this can be dangerous. Left turns also require extra attention for pedestrians and cyclists. Always check the crosswalk and yield if there are any pedestrians. If a cyclist is coming from the opposite direction, wait until they have passed before completing your turn. This level of awareness helps you stay prepared for any unexpected obstacles. Once you've made the turn, start to straighten the wheel as you bring the car back onto a straight path. Accelerate gently to blend with the flow of traffic. After any turn, it's good to do a quick check of your mirrors to stay aware of the traffic around you. At this point, it's really helpful to practice making both right and left turns several times in a row. Find a quiet area, maybe a neighborhood or a parking lot with intersections where you can get comfortable with both types of turns. Repetition builds confidence. So let's keep practicing these steps until they feel natural to you. If you're driving on a road with marked turn lanes or arrows, make sure you're in the correct lane early. So many intersections have left turn lanes or arrows to guide you. These markings make turns easier because they help separate turning through traffic. So it allows you to follow the signals such as a green arrow, and these gives you a clear right of way for turning. So make sure that when you're turning, you're on the right lane, because sometimes you're not, and then you cannot turn, and it just complicates you and your drive. Finally, let's talk about handling turns at stop signs and traffic lights. For a stop sign, come to a full stop. Check for oncoming traffic and then proceed with your turn when it is safe to do so. At a traffic light, follow the signals. For left turns, if you have a green arrow, you have the right of way. Without a green arrow, yield to oncoming traffic, car, and wait for a safe gap. Practice these steps to build a habit of checking, signaling, and turning safely. And that's a wrap for part 3 of this series. If you have not checked part 1 and part 2, highly recommend you do so before continuing. By practicing these right and left turns that we have discussed today, you'll start feeling more comfortable and more prepared for real world driving. In part 4, we're gonna go over lane changes, another essential skill for safe driving. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Driving TV for more driving tutorials. Keep practicing, stay safe, and see you on the next one.